So students, आज के क्लास में we are going to do 21.b का. This is your 14th sum. Okay, it is about your chapter quadrilaterals, rhombus, polygon. It is based on that. Okay, so let's see now what is our question. The length and breadth of a rectangular field are in the ratio 5:4 and its area is 3380 meters square. Okay, so let's see what we have to find out. We have to find out the cost of a fencing it at the rate of rupees 75 per meter. Okay, so now see, it is a rectangular field, correct? So we are going to do one thing first. Let's start solving solution. Okay, so first they have given us value of a rectangular field like its length and breadth in ratio. Okay, so directly ratio से तो हम लोग start नहीं कर सकते, तो we have to take it a value because वो ratio में it's not a proper whole number या ये नहीं है. तो फिर let's write let the length and breadth be 5x and 4x. Okay, let's take length as 5x and breadth as 4x here. Okay, so now you know the formula of rectangle. It is, let's write area of rectangular field is equal to length into breadth. See, it's very important to draw one rough diagram. I'm just directly drawing here. Okay, so see, length is 5x, so let's put length as 5x, breadth as 4x. This is whole rectangular field जिसका area हमें निकालना है. Okay, so let's substitute. Here we have length as 5x into breadth as 4x here. Okay, and area of rectangular field they have already given us. It is 3380 meters square. So let's substitute it here, 80 meters square. Okay, so now 5x into 4x is 20x square. Okay, x into x is x square, 5 into 4 is 20, and this area we are going to write it as it is down. Okay, now अब ये because हम लोग को x की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है ना, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस इज योर थंब रूल दैट जो x के बाजू में वैल्यू होता है, इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड आउट अननोन, दिस इज योर अननोन. ओके, तो उसको हमेशा सेपरेट रखना है. तो लेट्स ब्रिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर 20 हियर. ओके, नाउ बिकॉज 20 इज मल्टीप्लाइंग विथ एक्स स्क्वायर, तो यहाँ पे आके इट इज गोइंग टू डिवाइड. ओके, सो यहाँ पे एक्स स्क्वायर इज लेफ्ट. नाउ let's do cancellation. 0 0 cancelled, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, here it became 13, so 2 6 are 12, 1 here it is 18, 2 9s are is 18. Okay, so let's write it like this, x square is equal to 169. So now I have to find out value of x, so I will take square root of 169, which is 13. Now how to find out square root, let me just show you. If you know, that's very good, but if you don't know, you can do prime factorization like this, 169. Okay, got it. Now obviously here it is 9, it's a odd number, we cannot do with 2, so let's directly start with 3. Okay, so even 3 से भी नहीं हो पाएगा, it's like directly it's a prime number, 13 से ही हो पाएगा आपका. Okay, तो अब यहाँ पे x का वैल्यू 13 आपको मिल गया. गॉट इट. x का वैल्यू गॉट 13 है ना. अब नाउ व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू, फर्स्ट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ. व्हाट इज इट्स एग्जैक्ट लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ. लेट्स डू इट फास्ट. सी, योर लेंथ इज 5x. 5x मीन्स 5 into 13. ओके, तो 5 3s is 15, 5 1s are 5 plus 1 6, so 65. Okay, and your breadth is 4x. 4x means 4 into 13, again 4 3s is 12. Okay, 4 1s are 4, 52. right? So this is your length and breadth now. So see, we got length and breadth, but we have to find out fencing it. Fencing means it's about perimeter. We need to know perimeter. Fencing कैसे होता है? साइड साइड एरिया में होता है. फेंसिंग खाली ये वाले एरिया में होगा. ओके, तो हमें फेंसिंग के लिए पेरीमीटर, वी नीड टू नो पेरीमीटर. सो आई थिंक सो दिस मच इज क्लियर. Now I'm going to erase it and मैं आपको आगे का बताती हूँ. Now what we have to do, I'm going to keep this part here only because we need it. So let's erase this much of the part. So now perimeter, so I'm going to do it quick. Perimeter is 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, so 2, length is 65 plus breadth is 52. Okay, so now 5 plus 2 is, let's put it multiply, 5 plus 2 is 7 and 6 plus 5 will be 11. Okay, 117. Let's multiply now. 2 7s is 14, 1 goes here, 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 plus 1, okay, is 3, then 2 1s are 2, it is 234. So your perimeter is 234 meter. Got it? Now this is your fencing. Okay, this is your fencing for which we need it. Now अब उसको fencing का cost क्या होगा, let's find out. So cost of fencing is equal to, it is 75 multiplied by 234. Okay, you can do quick multiplication. Okay, here 75, 5 4s is 20, 2 up, 5 3s is 15, 16 17, 7 1 up, 5 2s is 10, this is 11. Okay, 7 4s are, okay, you can put here 0 also. I have a habit of putting cross. Okay, so 7 4s is 28, 8 goes here, 2 up, 7 3s is 21 plus 2, 22 23. Okay, 2 goes up, 7 2s is 14, 15 16. Okay, let's add them all. 0 7 plus 6 is 15 here, 1 goes up, 4 5. Okay, and this is 1 plus 7. Okay, 1 plus 6 is 7 here, and this is 1. So your answer is 17550. So the costing goes like this, 17550. So this is your answer. Okay, so I think so minimum ये सम आएगा अगर आपके एग्जाम में, तो minimum 3 or 4 marks का आएगा for sure. I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment.